Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Crazy TTP. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to check for file if it exists with Python. So for that we are going to import our OS obviously, and before you import the OS module, I hope you understand that you need to create your file, which will be any name.py, not .py.txt. It should be any name.py, like mine over here, it's checkfile.py. Then after that is done, let me zoom in for a little bit. You want to say import os, then if os.path.exists, then you want to check for this file that we are currently writing our script at, whether it exists or not. So it is check-file.py. then if it exists, you want to print file found. Okay, then if it doesn't exist, you want to say else print error file not found for some reasons. Okay, then we want to save our file, then come to this directory where our script is, then say alt D, type cmd, press enter. Then after that you need to say Python and your Python script, which mine is check file. It is ch, then tab for autocomplete, then it will say file found. So let us run it again. It is Python, then your script name, then say enter, then it will say file found. Okay, let me change this check file to .c from .py because this .c doesn't exist. Then let us run our script again. Error. As you can see now, it says error file not found for some reasons. So this does work. And this was the video, guys. If this video helped you, please like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.